all packed up and ready to go. Just got the new tent on, as you guys can see. Just washed the truck. I figured we'd start clean. This is how the back's looking. Cooler, cooking ware, chairs, fishing poles, clothes. Not too shabby. Everybody set up. Sorry for the wind. Here's a 4Runner. We got George on his Taco, 2-wheel drive and still doing it up. Tom, GFC, Tacoma. Everyone's on a little hike by the water. Figured I'd got a sweet time to invade their privacy. We got Jaime on his rock. Life's good. What do you have to say about this spot, James?
Listen, man.
Talk in my direction, the wind's kind of gnarly.
Listen, man, my boy Tommy knows the spots. This is a prime spot. If there wasn't massive flooding recently, it would be a great spot to fish. But hopefully we can still catch some. If not, we'll just enjoy each other's company and drink some brews.
Yes, sir. Good time. We just got here. Set up. It's done. So, time to chill. That's a big one, my guy.
Yes, sir, we're eating good tonight.
Be smooth with it, brother.
Oh!
Let's go. That's a big John. Sheesh.
Yes,
let's go. Dude, that's big. Ain't no way. It's first fish.
Yeah, brother.
We're on camera with it.
Woo!
That's sweet. I told you over here.
It's too slimy, bro. I can't even hold this.
How you feeling right now?
Hey, man, that's my first catch. That's a fat one.
Yeah, he's plump, bro. He's been eating.
Heck yeah.
Dude, sweet. Let's go.
So I bonk him right now?
You gonna bonk him? You gonna eat him?
Yeah, the fuck?
All right.
I'm not catching and not gonna eat him.
Dude, he's full.
Woo! Shit, brother.
Nice. Trying to feed the gods right now? Some offerings?
Hey, man. What's going on? First fish, first catch, first clean, and a little bit first cook.
Damn!
Sheesh! That's the same shit I got. Looks like a pike minnow. Damn, boy, you spicy. Sheesh! Let's get it. Hey, double up today. Let's go.
What was it? A minnow?
Pike minnow, that's what it looks like. So we're guessing. We don't really know though.
Yours was way thicker than mine though.
It was pretty decent size. No, it was about the same.
Good job. Other way.
Keep going. Try to get a little video.
From the water to the fire, huh? Little taste test? Let's see. Not too shabby?
Not bad.
Tastes cooked at
A
least?
little bit of tortilla. I get a lot of onion taste in there. Put a little bit of lemon on it.
We'll be the judge of that. Hey. Hey. Nice. They're in there somewhere. Check the bottom of the... Catch a fish shot. We're the only two that caught, so we're also the only two that fish. So cheers. Good job, right? 2 for 2. Good trip so far. Must be nice to have a deep cycle battery. No, for the vlog. First night in the tent. Got the Brody here. How's it feeling here, James?
Listen, it's gonna be warmer than outside. You got no wind chill. It's pretty warm if you got a nice sleeping bag. This is a paradise, to be honest.
I plugged in with a sleeping bag. So far, this is way more comfortable than even sleeping inside the Foreigner, so I'm already excited about this purchase. We got the newly installed lights in, so we're kind of just vibing until we knock out.
Yeah, bruh.
Like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. And we signing off.
Share it to your friends.
Actually, probably until the morning, but peace. What up, y'all? Next morning, we slept pretty well in the rooftop tent. I have no complaints coming from sleeping from behind the, in the back of the Foreigner. It did get cold at one point, but it was mostly because I was half out of the sleeping bag. After I got nice and tucked back in, it was fine. Just want to shout out George, shout out Tommy, shout out both their popses for rolling through. Shout out Tommy for the invite and pretty much hosting everything. It was a good ass time, and I hope to do it again soon. Shout out my brother. That was his first fish he's ever done any. Caught, skinned, gutted, ate, cooked. So that was fucking sick to have on video. So legendary video. My bass, that's not the first bass I've caught, but it's probably the biggest bass I've caught, sadly enough. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace. Wait. Don't throw.